Hello there, everybody. New day, new story to tell. While I'm blurring my hair, I just remember way back 2012 after I graduated in college. I want to find my first job and lots of resume that I sent. And before anything else, I want to share that one of the fast food chain in Iloilo have got failed. There is the interview in the Philippines and the interview here in abroad is really different. I can compare here going to abroad. They are not into your educational attainment or what did you finish, you are having a degree or you are what or this. As long as you have the at least for us Filipinos, I'm talking about for us Filipinos, okay? So as long as you finish like first year in college or second year or like degree or bachelor and you finish like this. So I just remember when I was on my first, second, and third interview on that fast food chain in Iloilo City. There is lots of applicants that time. I'm smiling because you can't believe at the end of the story how I made it or what happened after. So I think we have lots of queues that time. I mean the line because there is lots of applicant during the time. So it's my first time job to have. So I want to make it. I said to myself and I prayed for that before I came there. So there is first interview, second interview, and the final interview. So I have with those applicants that is they are also have the degree and have bachelor. They finish exactly the college. And in the Philippines, if you are applying a job, you are really on the attire that you will have. It's like how you will say this. You need to be in formal attire. Okay. So yes, you will come there as really presentable with yourself and everything. So it's like we are maybe 40 plus that time or 30 plus. That is what I remembered. And that interview happened in the middle where there's lots of people around on that area. So yes, maybe my number is like 15 or 16. I am on that number as an applicant. And I passed the first and the initial interview, the second interview, and the final interview. And some of them they got failed for the interview. Of a message. And I said to myself, thank you, Lord, for this one. And then I don't know that there is a, how you will say this, mind test or what, IQ test. No, it's not IQ test. After you pass the 3 rounds of the interview, I think we are only 7 or 8 that passed on that job interview on this fast food chain in Iloilo. So I am one of those applicants there. So maybe we are 8 or 7. That's what I remembered because it's from 2012. So yes, I am the third one who will go because we have our test like individually. So when I opened the the sheet of paper that we need to answer, there is 5 pages for that one. And I don't know what you call this kind of test. And this test, I'm very poor for this test. When I see the 5 pieces sheet of paper that I scan it like this. The test is 1 to 50, I think. I don't know why they gave this kind of a test in a fast food chain for what? I don't really understand why. So the test is these kinds of symbols like circle, like dot dot dot. You need to find among these 4. You need to find the difference. You need to answer. The answer should be only one. I don't know what is this kind of test. maybe you know what this kind of test, like they put something like this, like a snail, and then same like a snail. I don't know what is the answer for that one, so I really don't know. I'm very poor on that kind of test. You give me like other tests. I know I'm not good also in mathematics, but I can, at least I can answer basic mathematics. Yes, okay. So that one is like drawings. It's all about drawings, and you need to find the I think spot the difference. I don't know. So in four choices of answers, three of them is the same, and one is the only answer that is. I think it's for the mind or mind test, and you know what happened after that? For me to finish, after I finished the test, it's like I don't have any problem for the question and answer that time. One initial interview, second interview, and final interview. Oh my God, I've got the answer, and I am very confident on that one. When I get the test, it's like I'm stuck in my life. After the test, 5 pieces sheet of paper. I think I have a headache after I did the answer of all that questions, because I don't know. I think I am zero, or I don't know. And then after that, when we finish, seven or eight of us, it's like I have a migraine that time when I finished the test. So that's why I'm laughing. There is lots of people that line up on that queues that we are 40 plus or 50 plus, and I am the one who is selected because of the passing of the interview. And after the test, I when they announced the one who passed, all of them is passed, only me no. Only me not passing the test. That with the drawing and everything. When I'm riding on the jeepney going home, it's like I'm crying because I got failed for that drawing and everything, and I don't know how to answer. Oh my God! Shout out to that fast food chain. It's international fast food chain. Anyway, every time I see that kind of test, even sometimes I do remember. I cannot forget that is my first attempt for that. That I failed. So it sounds so funny, but I just remember. It's good to share to all of you guys. If you know what kind of test is that, comment here down. That's it for today. Bye.